Oh, I'm doing that white thing again. Ladies and gentlemen, before we jump into today's video, it is a sponsored video. Today, we're going to be unboxing the brand new 2018 LG Super UHD TV. LG sent it me to showcase to you guys, so we're going to be unboxing it, setting it up, and seeing what it looks like.
Is that sunshine I see?
I hope it is, because it's been absolutely miserable in the UK for absolutely ages now. This is not usually how I start my vlogs, but I set my alarm to get me out of bed at 10:30 AM. It's now 4 PM in the afternoon, and oh my gosh, it's a banger of a day. I'm not even joking. I set my alarm to wake me up at 10:30 AM. You see this toothbrush counting device with a smiley face? Well, look at that. It's 4:10. I fucked up. Not sure why I'm waking up listening to classical like guitars, but either way, it's a flip-floppy kind of day, so let's put, I'm literally wearing nothing apart from boxer shorts and these. I'm gonna put my body in the sun and I'm gonna get brown. Little babies trying to be little mountain goats climbing the tree, it's adorable. Weather like this can only mean one thing. Hammock time. What I have to do right now is go up into that back bedroom and drag that television out. As you know, the guys at LG send me stuff all the damn time. I probably have like, let me show you. 1, 2, 3. The home skis at LG were like, Tom, we see you've got like loads of Samsungs around your house and all that sort of stuff for your TVs, but we're about to change that. The new Super Ultra HD 4K TV. But this ain't no monitor, this is a TV, and this TV is like a badass beast. This TV's specced out with its new and improved black levels, and it's got a full array of dynamic backlighting. So they were like, Tom, you need to see this TV. So seeing as though the weather's really nice, let's do an outside unboxing of this and hopefully not break it. You know what? I think I need 2 hands to do this. Let me, oh. Okay, maybe I should put this on a safer spot before I break yet another screen. Thank you. Okie dokie Jones. Look at that. Nice. Oh, Super Ultra HD TV 4K. This might be the nicest setting to an unboxing I've ever had. I've just cleaned off all my glass table here, which I hope doesn't smash when I put the TV on it, but this is where we're doing it, boys. Oh, no, I dropped it again. Yo, this looks absolutely beautiful. It's got like a rose gold tint to it. Look at it. It's so nice. I didn't know the TV had it on it as well. Oh, mate, when it's inside the box, you really don't get a grasp for the size of it, but look at the size of this thing. Look at that. This is where hopefully I don't stab the screen. Oh my God. LG, thank you so much for sending me this. Look at it. It's as shiny as a mirror. Oh my Lord. Oh, I thought I'd scratched it. Oh, look at that, removing the fine details. It's like my favorite thing. You know when you get a brand new phone and you take like the protective screen layer off and you just do this. Oh, so satisfying. This TV is quite literally made for modern day people. It's got a Netflix and an Amazon video button on it. Look at me, manly man. Manly man. This'll do, Philip's head. Such a manly man building a TV out in the sun. You know what I need right now is a beer in my hand, and then I am a truly like manly man. Decided I don't really want to smash my glass table, so we're moving over to the wooden workbench. My first piece of Lego built, which was attach the base to the arm with 3 little screws. That's done. Now I need to do, wait, what's my next step? Okay, I've done this. Step 3, I now need to attach, oh, whoa. I now need to attach this bad boy. Pretty sure all I gotta do is slide this in here, like so, and then click this bad boy onto here. Oh my God, this is like Lego. I followed all 11 steps. Look at that. Absolutely beauty of a screen. Look how thin it is. That's a tiny ass screen. Wait, hang on a minute. You know what I was just saying about phones having plastic on? Yes. Oh, yeah. Why is this so satisfying? Why? Listen to it. Oh, wait, no way, does it come off in one? All the way around? Yeah. Oh, that's so satisfying. A brand new 2018 LG Super UHD TV in 4K. And how do I know best to test a screen monitor television than with a PlayStation Pro? Wait, hang on a minute. I haven't even got it switched on at the wall. Ooh, wait, mate, I got to turn my light. It's like daytime outside, and I'm setting up a TV. Turn all these lights off, and well, they are supposed to be blackout curtains, but forget about it. I love this about a remote. Like, look. Oh, whoa. All right, your TV has been located. Environment, home or store? Home. Okay. I think we may be set up right now. Program tuning. Sure. Oh, mate, what have I got undone? What have I got undone now? Oh, I only went and broke my PlayStation. Let's get this PlayStation racking and rolling. I like how I'm trying to use the LG remote to actually press the PlayStation buttons. My apologies. This is their brand new latest monitor. So it's got like the best picture of any quality TV that they've ever released. So from whatever angle you're viewing it from, it looks the exact same from here to here to here. And that it's not just a TV for like watching your movies on with your Netflix button or your Amazon button, but it's actually like, you saw me change the settings, it's made for gaming as well. Oh, you better know, I'm changing the sound to game mode. And the picture, come on, to game mode. Let's go, boys, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the detail! I would say I'm about to wreck it, but we all know I'm kind of a noob at Fortnite, but look at the colours on this thing! I would actually like to show you guys what Fortnite looks like on this game, but unfortunately the servers are broken. This screen's decked out with Dolby Atmos surround sound. It's basically the crispest TV you're gonna get with the best sound and the most lifelike picture you'll probably ever see from an LG monitor. The blackest of blacks! The bluest of blues! And the laggiest of servers. I like how everyone's gonna be like, Salesman Tom. It's like, well, this is a sponsored video, but if it was a crap product, I actually wouldn't be reviewing it, sort of thing. Super sharp, super colorful. An absolute beast of a piece of kit. But more importantly, guys, there's a nano cell competition going on with LG right now. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description. Go check it out and say Syndicate sent you. More importantly, if you guys want to be awesome, go over there and be like, Syndicate sent you. Thanks for the TV. Well, welcome to how to record YouTube videos back in the day. This is literally what me and Chris used to do. LG, once again, thank you very much for sending me this monitor, mate. I really, mate, like how I addressed them as mate. Thank you very much for sending me it. I really appreciate it. Am I even gonna get a kill on my first battle on this screen? Like, look, there's literally no input lag whatsoever. Playing Fortnite in 4K, boys. This is what this brand deal's all about. Hey, look at this. Oh, wait, am I being shot from behind? Whoa, think so. Get me in. Go. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Oh, mate. Let's go, John Wick. I'm YOLOing it. I think, are they teaming? Oh! I'm great at this game. So I might not be any good at Fortnite, but nonetheless, you can see how like fluid the game actually feels. Super smooth, super sharp, and no input lag whatsoever. It's great, isn't it? LG always hits me up and is like, yo, we've got something new. Tom, do you want to check it out? So I just said, yeah. If you guys want to learn more information about the screen, I'll leave a link down in the description. I've already had my breakfast. I had my breakfast at 4 o'clock in the morning last night. So for brunch at 5:30 at night, I've got a wheel of cheese. I've got more cheese and butter. I don't really have anything to cook, so we're gonna go and stack up on some bacon, some eggs, and we're having a fry up. It is kind of days like today that I wish I had a convertible, but the Defenderino will have to do. You know, for those whopping 3 days of the year that England's actually warm. I like how I just walked outside my local Tesco and there were a bunch of kids listening to the Ninja Pom Pom song, doing it. And they said hello and all that, and they said, Tom, can you do us a favour? Because they like recognise me as Syndicate. And I was like, yeah, go on, what? And he's like, if I give you a quid, can you go inside the shop and buy me a Monster energy drink? Back in the day, you used to wait outside shops for people to go in and buy you alcohol, not Monster energy drinks. So yesterday's vlog's been uploaded overnight, ready. But then I bumped into Sean and then ended up at the pub, and now it's 6:30. So sorry about yesterday's vlog being late. I just forgot to make it live. Oh, family friends. Oh, have you had it cleaned? You have, haven't you? Look at you. You're so happy with yourself. Oh yeah, we went for a cruise. I know, I've heard, yeah. Yeah, mate, we went out in his Type R and then Robbo's bag of bolts, so we won't talk about that one. I thought you'd seen it. Nah.
What have you done that for?
What?
What have you done that for?
It's got meaning, and that girl that I met in Germany, on the plane, I flew out to Germany and got a tattoo. Right. Flight cost me like 60 quid, it's great. We'll see each other soon, okay?
Yeah. Bye.
I'm just saying Captain Sparkle's 4 GT's nicer than your BMW.
Oh, I know it is.
Right, mate. Love you and leave you. Don't scuff your wheels.
I already have.
No! Again? Oh, it's a proper piece of tackle. Oh, look at this, repping the merch right now. She's like, I'm just gonna go shy all of a sudden. Wait, so if you're my godparents, great, this is my great goddaughter. That's what we're making it up right now. This is Faye, a great goddaughter. Yes. And she's always repping. Guess you two are getting in the back then. In you get. In you get, Sean. Welcome to the beast.
I'm moving in this.
Hopefully my eggs ain't gone off. Yeah, I've got eggs, bacon, everything that I need for a fry up in there, and it's been sweating in here for like an hour. Godspeed, good luck. Yeah, everyone always struggles getting out the back of this vehicle. Take care. She's so shy. Las Vidania. I don't even know what that says. If someone could translate that for me, that'd be great. Oh, it's Polish. Oh, fucking hell, this smashed my window. See you later. Have a nice time, guys. Very nice to see you today. God, don't you love it how life just pans out? The sun is now setting, so I'm going to open this door. I'm going to cook myself some food and sit in that and get a little bit more sun before it disappears. Are you ready for a life hack with Tom? Place under a preheated grill for 4 to 6 minutes, turning occasionally. Well, here you go. But most people go and put it on like an actual tray or something like that, and then the tray gets all dirty. However, if you get tin foil and make the outside edges of the tin foil like a kind of bowl, when the bacon cooks on it, you then can just take this out and you don't have to clean this. Why? Because it's not even dirty. This contains all the fat, and you just fold it up, throw it away. Live tip with Tom. Ooh, everything's all right. Oh God, let's not jinx it again. But everything's good right now, apart from I look like a ghost. Just got the email through after I sent a text message going, "Hey, am I still doing the Call of Duty reveal next week?" Didn't get a reply. 10 minutes later, I got an email saying that I'm indeed going to the Black Ops 4 community reveal in Los Angeles, and they booked the tickets out for me to fly out there. So I'm flying out to LA, business class. It's going to be a good old time. I was really worried, like, it's Sunday, and I was really worried, like, oh my God, I've not heard anything about the flights. Is it going to be booked? Is the ticket still available on the flight? Like, I really need to be going out there because I might be going after Ukraine as well. And lo and behold, it's booked. We going, boys. We're going back out to the United States of America. This took way too long to make, but I'm now going to make myself a bacon sandwich. So we're gonna we're gonna do a bottom layer of bacon. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Then we're gonna do. This is actually an egg, by the way, but I accidentally left it on for too long. Which I don't know if it's still runny. Is it? Oh, what? Wow, that spoiled the surprise. That was supposed to be runny on the inside, but it's not. And then sausages. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. And then to seal it off, put that on top. Take it over to the cutting section over here. Slice through that bad boy and oh my God, just look at that. I kind of expect to be ill from food poisoning tomorrow from not cooking the sausages properly, but hey man, we're just gonna wing it. And to thus complete my night, I'm gonna sit down in this hammock, which is literally only just in the sunshine, eat my dinner, and then I'm gonna go up to my room. I'm gonna do my first ever live stream with my new internet. I don't know how it's going to go. I'm just going to wing it and hope it's great and that nothing breaks, because it probably will, and I hope it doesn't. But either way, this is the life. It's me again. This was amazing. That was a 10 out of a 10 dish. I'm not even joking. That was probably the best like bacon egg bagel I've ever cooked myself, and sausage in my life. Look at all those sheep just doing sheep shit. It's nights like this that make me realise this is why I built this place. You know what I was saying about cleaning it up? Look, all I have to do is this. Fold it all up. Fold it all up. Oh, I failed. Finally managing to get my first ever live stream on my new internet rocking and rolling. We got a bloody... wait a second. Let me just make this bigger. We got a 185 sub train going on in here, and we've just given away a t-shirt on stream. Look at everyone saying GG, so respectful. And Ryan over here just said these current words because he just won himself a t-shirt. Congratulations. All I'm saying is it feels good to be back. Managed to get myself a victory royale in a single game, in a duo game, and in the Thanos game. 3 wins. Not bad. Not bad. So this is what my new internet is all about, by the way. Like when I'm streaming, I'm like, oh, I've got an idea, I want to play this game. But as you know, games nowadays, you have to like download them digitally. You can't just put your disc in. And there's always like massive updates. So when I used to have to want to play a game, I'd have to stop the stream and then go away for like 6 hours and, you know, download whatever it was. But because my internet is so goddamn fast now, I'm going to test whether or not I can download Battlefield, should we say, Battlefield 4. I'm going to download the latest Battlefield on PC and see if I can still stream at the same time. Okay, so I am now... I'm downloading Battlefield 4. Look how fast it's going up. I'm managing to still stream, and it's only going to take 9 minutes to download. Are you even shitting me? I'm not even dropping any frames. I'm currently downloading a massive game. Like, Battlefield 4 is huge. And I'm going to download it in 7 minutes. Oh my goodness me, this is unreal. This right here is why my internet is worth its weight in gold, diamonds, rubies, and whatever. Amazing. I've managed to download the game. Last played December 13, 2014. Oh my god. I haven't even been to bed yet. Look at it. What a crisp British morning it is right now. Like, it is nearly 6 o'clock in the morning here. And yeah, I'll be tired in about an hour and I want to go to bed. But if I say like, oh, you know what, I'm going to fix my sleep schedule. I'm going to stay up today and I'll go to bed like later tonight and just fix it, you know, just stay up all day. But then I'll just be tired throughout the day. Have one more day Tuesday here, and then on Wednesday, I'm flying to LA. So I might as well stick with my messed up sleep schedule so that when I get to LA, I'm fine. You know, like I'll perfectly be on the time schedule for LA. So I either do that or be a responsible adult and go to bed. Who knows? So I did decide to be a grown adult. I managed to get myself some sleep, feel kind of rested. I did get up at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I did waste quite a lot of my day. But nonetheless, thank you very much for watching, guys. This was a sponsored deal. I know, like, I throw these at you guys randomly, but like those guys at LG, like, super help out the channel. They're absolutely incredible. And, you know, they've got, at the end of the day, dope products. And I'm like, I want to do tech reviews and stuff like that. And if they keep sending me, I'm going to keep reviewing them. So I hope you guys understand that it's just a dope win-win for everyone. Every time I try and work with LG as well, I try and get myself a giveaway for you guys. So as soon as I speak to them, I'm going to try and see if we can get a free TV to give away for you. And if I find out some more information about that, I'll let you guys know as soon as possible. But without further ado, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the next daily vlog. And I've only got 2 more days before I'm back in LA. And more importantly to that, when I'm back out in LA, I'm going to be doing my next day in the life with someone, which is going to be a really, really awesome surprise. Really excited for that. And it should be one hell of a day. So stay tuned for that on like maybe Sunday of this week. And like I said, if you guys want to check out the LG Nano Cell video, I'll put a link down in the description. And more importantly, to find out more information about that screen and where you can get it from, links will be down below. Go check it out. Much love. See you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. for the next daily vlog.